In the last video, we spoke about signs of disconnection from nature. If you are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just not yourself, it could be because you have lost touch with the earth's energy. Walking barefoot on grass. One simple way to reconnect is through grounding. Take off your shoes and walk barefoot on the earth. Feel the ground beneath you, and visualize any stress flowing out of your body and into the earth. Meditating outdoors, try meditating in nature. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and tune into the sounds around you. Imagine your energy blending with the trees, the wind, and the water. This practice can deepen your spiritual connection. Natural elements. Use the elements like earth, air, fire, water, and spirit to enhance your spiritual practice. Light a candle to honor the cycles of the day, or create a small altar with natural items like stones or leaves. Let nature's energy flow into your rituals. Moon or a sunset. Pay attention to nature's cycles, like the phases of the moon or the changing seasons. Aligning your life with these rhythms can bring a sense of harmony and balance. Journal outdoors. Keep a nature journal to document your experiences. Write down what you notice, how you feel, and any insights that come to you. Over time, this practice will help you build a deeper connection with the earth. Sitting calmly in nature. Reconnecting spiritually with nature doesn't have to be complicated. Start small and remember, the earth is always here to support you. Follow for more tips on connecting with your true self.